Okay, guys, welcome to my channel again. Welcome to my channel, guys. As you know that every time I post videos here on how we analyze the market, so now I took my time to show you how I took this trade on a real account. I don't fear anything to show this account. It's mine. Okay. Once again, we are on profit. On this one, if you can check, we are around $8 profit. Here it's $2.06, so I want to show you, this video won't be long, guys. I want to show you how I took this trade. Okay, I'll go first to VIX 10, and then on my VIX 10, I'll go to the daily first as usual. And then on a daily time frame, I'm seeing something very nice there. I'm seeing a double top. You can agree with me that this is a left top, and then this one is a right top. So I mean to say this one it's a right top. Okay, so as we see this kind of a tops, guys, what we need to do, we need to make sure that uh we really we need to make sure that I want to focus on this kind of a side, this side, on how the market approached our top there, as we anticipate that the market will hit the double top and shoot to the downside. Okay, so now want to check on exactly what happened there, or the time the market approached our right top. Okay, so unfortunately we spot that one, so we go to the 4 hour and check exactly what's happened. Again, we see some price action inside there, so this price action, uh it's an ascending channel approaching the top. That another confluence to place a sell. Okay, so when you spot this kind of a thing, guys, it's more likely for the market to go to your favor, so and then uh we can do it like this. Okay, and then again like that to the upper side. Okay, uh that's it. Okay, so remember this horizontal line, it's our what, it's our top. Okay, so the market was playing with you guys, think maybe it hit this top, and then it want to break, it want to retest and go to the upside. Okay, unfortunately, if you don't trade support and resistance, you will be seeing this now. Okay, when you see the ascending channel toward to the top, most of the time the market will reverse to the downside. Okay, so now that's our 4 hour, and we'll go to our what you call at 30 minutes. We can go to 30 minutes, and again on 30 minutes we see the break to the downside, and this channel also, and then we anticipate the market to go to the downside. Let me tell you what I mean here. The impulse to the downside, now the market was on a correction, now the market broke to the outside the correction and on a smaller time frame, and we anticipate the market will go to the downside. Remember, guys, impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, so we'll go to 15 minutes to check exactly what I said. This is our our price section there, and again we see a mini double top there, and again it's out of the structure. We anticipate the move to the downside. Okay, that's why we take a sell there. Okay, so I'll do this in reality so that everyone can understand what I'm saying here, so that everyone can understand what we're talking about. Okay, guys, this is simple if you know what you're doing. It's very hard if you don't know what you're doing, but it's more likely to be simple when you know what you're doing. Okay, again we see something like this, and then again we see something like that again. A mini double top there. Okay, a mini double top there. Remember, on a bigger time frame, we see the market break to the downside. It was on. We have this kind of a correction toward the bigger time frame and double top, and the break to the downside. We go to smaller time frame. We see the another ascending channel, and it breaks to the downside. So anticipate the market to go to the downside and hit that 90% rule of a profit. Okay, so now I wanted to show you why I took this trade. My first profit should be here. Let me show you. My first take profit should be here, and then the second take profit there. The third take profit, it's where I put my profit there. So what I will do, I will wait for the market to reach this place, and I think the market will correct again here, and then after the correction, when it pushes to the downside, I'll adjust this stop loss of mine to this side. Okay, and then we'll push to the downside. Okay, so that was my top-down analysis on VIX 10. Okay, so let me just leave it here. Sorry for that. Again, let me go. I'll go to the jump 10. I think they are similar. Let me just erase everything. Let me just quickly erase everything so that everyone can understand why we took the trades. I can go to. I'm removing everything in the screen. Okay. Again, guys. Again, we see this kind of a top there. Double top on a bigger time frame is very important. Top there and top here. So we really want to see how the market approach this side, this right top. Okay, so we have to go to the 4-hour and check how the market approach our right top. The market was approaching this top like this and hit the downside, and then after hitting to the downside like this, like that, I saw this mini correction. I think maybe the market will go to the downside, and then I was like sure, because I think maybe it will be the head and shoulder, I was thinking maybe it will be the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder, right shoulder again, thinking that the market will push to the downside. Unfortunately, the market go to the upside. Okay, so I take a loss here. And then again, now I saw another ascending channel approaching the very same top. So when it pushes to the downside, we saw this expanding channel there. I was not around. I didn't see this move. I should take a trade there immediately. It breaks here, and put my stop loss there, go to the downside. But now, again, I'm seeing this kind of a move. Okay, this kind of a move, and then now I see the break to the downside. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, guys. This was my my ascending channel. Okay, ascending channel, and then broke to the downside, expanding channel. Sorry, let me just put a trend line, because I'm not good on this drawing things, expanding channel there, and then okay, and then let me just focus on what's happening now. Okay, I want to show you how we check this trade. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we go to the smaller time frame. Let me see. Let me quickly check on what's going on. No, the structure was like this, and then on a smaller time frame, and then we see this kind of a thing. The break to the downside and form a mini correction here. We anticipate that the market will go to the downside. So because we see, let me show you what we see. Because we see this kind of a wick in this one, this kind of a wick, we suggest to put the stop loss on top of the wick to give our trade a room for breathing, you know. So that's why we take the trade. Now the trade is going to the downside. We anticipate that the market will hit our 90% rule there. So that's what I wanted to show you. And again, the market can turn here, made a mini double bottom and goes to the upside. But one thing for sure, I have to see how the market react here. If it doesn't react anything, I'll just leave it like that. When it goes to the downside, I'll just take my stop loss. I'll just put to where I saw a mini correction. Okay, so that was my analysis on jump 10 and this VIX 10, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. As I told you guys, I will be posting videos each and every second of every month for the workshop where I teach. Here I don't teach anything. I was showing you how I take the trades, guys. So thank you for uh thank you for your time, guys. It really means a lot. And then shalom.